In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add drivers to your application efficiently and accurately. If you're managing a fleet or even just a small team, keeping your driver information up to date is crucial for smooth operations. So let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you have all the tools you need to complete this task with confidence. First, you'll want to navigate to the Drivers tab from the main menu. This area is your hub for all things concerning your drivers, providing a central location where you can manage, add, or even edit existing driver details as needed. It's laid out for easy access and clarity, ensuring that even those new to the system can find their way around without much hassle. Once you're in the Drivers tab, look for the Add Driver button. It's your key to inputting all necessary and relevant information for new drivers. Tapping this button will open a form or a set of fields where you'll be inputting data. Now remember, the more detailed and precise you are at this stage, the more beneficial it will be for the future. Think of it as building a foundation, a strong basis that can support all your future operational needs. Next up, you'll need to complete all the information fields presented. This can include several categories such as the driver's full name, contact information, and possibly their driver's license details. Make sure that every piece of information is entered accurately. Spelling mistakes or outdated data can lead to issues down the road, such as miscommunication or even compliance gaps. Another important aspect is to keep an eye out for any specific entry formats indicated next to the fields. If you notice a suggestion or a required format like MMDD for date of birth, make sure you follow those precisely. Failing to match these formats can sometimes lead to errors in data handling, which can be easily avoided with a bit of extra attention. Once you've filled in all the required fields, it's a great idea to double-check everything. Go over the information you've entered to ensure that it aligns with the documents or details you have at your disposal. This is your chance to catch any inadvertent errors before they become an issue. After verifying all the details, you'll either find a Save or Submit button at the bottom of the form. Clicking this button will save the information into the system, making the driver available for assignments or other operational work. And there you have it. That's how you can add a driver in just a few simple steps. With everything saved correctly, your new driver details are now tucked away safely and ready for use. This straightforward process not only helps in keeping your records current, but also ensures that everything runs smoothly on the road. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide will assist you in managing your drivers with ease.